Are you tired of normal nail polish? It's tricky to apply, smudges, chips, and takes a while to dry. We're introducing Fab Nails. It's the DIY kit for gel polish manicure at home. Our all-in-one gel polish combines primer, base, color, and gloss to give you the fastest gel polish. It's dry in 60 seconds using our Pro LED nail lamp or our Mini LED nail lamp. You get a 2-week high-gloss gel polish manicure with amazing salon quality results. Our pen applicator gives you more control so you can achieve salon results every time, even with your bad hand. Check out fabnails.com, join our newsletter, and you'll be kept up to date with our latest offers, products, and colors. Revolutionize how you apply nail polish at home. Get the kit, get applying, and get Fab Nails.